Since COVID-19 started in 2020, people have been using home test kits or wearable medical devices to track the health status of themselves or their loved ones. One of these widely used diagnostic tests is pulse oximetry. Pulse oximetry is a technique to measure the amount of oxygen in our blood by shining lights into the skin. This technique can be found in two different types, whether it's a clip shape, which is mostly used in clinics, or it's inbuilt in our smartwatches. Pulse oximetry is not just cost-effective and safe, but also can detect diseases in early stages due to its sensitivity to oxygen saturation changes in our blood. Back to COVID-19 example, if our blood oxygenation level falls below 95%, we might experience hypoxia, which is one of the symptoms of COVID-19, and can be detected by pulse oximeter in early stages. Despite popularity of pulse oximeters, their readings are extremely sensitive to different skin tones, especially for people of colors. Previous studies have shown that people with darker skins, including Black African Americans, are more likely to have inaccurate pulse oximetry measurements compared to people with lighter skins, like white Northern Europeans. This is problematic because currently there's no pulse oximeter on the market which is calibrated based on data from darker skin tones. To address this issue, in my PhD research, our goal is to standardize commercial pulse oximetry measurements by taking the effect of different skin colors into account. For our study design, using computers, we are modeling a human index finger and a clip-shaped pulse oximetry, which consists of a light emitter on the top and a light detector on the bottom. Then we can explore the relationship between pulse oximetry readings and different concentration of melanin. Melanin is a protein or pigment, as it's shown on the slide, in our skin, which is responsible to different skin colors. We expect that darker skins, due to having a higher melanin concentration, will absorb more lights, and their readings will be weaker than lighter skins. To wrap up my presentation, my research can help to regulate and standardize commercial pulse oximetry devices by improving their readings accuracy, particularly for different racial and ethnic groups. Thanks.